Earning $240 per hour using ChatGPT for free is possible if you employ creativity and utilize its potential for tasks that have high value in the market. Here's a detailed, step-by-step video that outlines how to turn ChatGPT into a profitable tool for making money, even at premium hourly rates, by offering unique and high-value services. 1. Content creation and freelance writing. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can create content for clients efficiently. Many companies, websites, and individuals need blog posts, articles, social media captions, and ad copy. If you can position yourself as a skilled content creator, you can command high rates. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr, and offer services in content writing, social media content creation, and ad copywriting. Showcase samples of ChatGPT's work as your own, but always customize it to maintain originality. Charge premium prices for high-quality content or specialized niches, such as finance, technology, or lifestyle. A client might request a 1,000-word blog on how to improve productivity with AI. You can use ChatGPT to draft ideas, structure the article, and create engaging paragraphs. By refining the AI-generated content, you're providing a valuable service without spending hours researching. 2. SEO consulting and keyword optimization. Companies spend thousands on SEO because appearing at the top of search results is crucial for business visibility. With ChatGPT, you can offer SEO-optimized content creation or keyword research services. Learn basic SEO principles and use ChatGPT for keyword research, metadata creation, and content optimization. Use tools like Ahrefs and Google Keyword Planner to cross-reference keywords suggested by ChatGPT. Offer packages that include article writing with SEO optimizations, backlink suggestions, and keyword-rich meta descriptions. A client requests an SEO-optimized product description for a skincare line. With ChatGPT, you can generate SEO-friendly descriptions and make minor adjustments to fit the client's brand voice. 3. Copywriting for sales pages and landing pages. Sales pages are critical for online businesses, and well-crafted copy can convert readers into paying customers. If you can create persuasive, engaging, and converting copy, you can charge significant rates. Market yourself as a conversion-focused copywriter and build a portfolio of landing pages or sales pages created with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to draft persuasive language, and then edit it to emphasize benefits, features, and a strong call to action. Research top-selling landing pages to understand what makes them effective. An e-commerce client needs a landing page for their new product. ChatGPT can generate a headline, product benefits, and a call to action. Make strategic edits to the language, and you can deliver a high-converting page within hours. 4. Email marketing campaigns. Email marketing remains one of the most profitable online marketing strategies. With ChatGPT, you can help businesses create engaging and personalized email sequences that nurture leads and convert subscribers into customers. Offer email copywriting services for different types of campaigns, such as welcome sequences, product launch emails, and abandoned cart reminders. Work with small businesses that can't afford high-end marketing agencies but are willing to invest in effective email campaigns. Use ChatGPT to generate email ideas in text, and refine it for clarity, engagement, and brand tone. A brand wants a 5-part email sequence for a new product launch. ChatGPT can help you draft each email's content, and by making slight adjustments, you can deliver a valuable, high-converting sequence. 5. Video script writing for YouTubers and influencers. Many content creators outsource their video script writing to focus on filming and editing. With ChatGPT, you can generate well-researched, engaging scripts for a variety of topics. Offer scriptwriting services on freelance platforms or reach out directly to influencers. Use ChatGPT to generate talking points, script introductions, and conclusions, and then tailor them to the client's style. Market yourself as a versatile scriptwriter who can handle different tones and formats, from educational to entertaining. A YouTube creator wants a 10-minute script on 5 ways to save money. ChatGPT can draft the structure and key points. With some refinements, you deliver a high-quality script that the creator can record. 6. Social media management and content planning. Businesses and influencers are always in need of engaging social media content, and with ChatGPT, you can manage multiple clients' accounts with minimal effort. You can create captions, hashtags, and content ideas that resonate with audiences. Market yourself as a social media content strategist and offer content calendar planning, caption writing, and hashtag research. Use ChatGPT to generate post ideas, captions, and other short-form content for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Schedule posts in advance using platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite. A small business needs a month of Instagram posts. ChatGPT can suggest post ideas, captions, and hashtags, which you can then organize into a content calendar. 7. Online course content and ebook creation. Online education is booming, and many experts lack the time or skills to create a comprehensive course. ChatGPT can help you draft course outlines, lessons, and materials. Position yourself as a course content creator or ebook writer and offer your services to online educators, coaches, and business owners. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm topics, create outlines, and draft content. With some editing, you can produce high-quality course material. Sell your own courses on platforms like Teachable or Udemy, or write ebooks and publish on Amazon Kindle. A coach needs a 5-module course on personal finance. ChatGPT helps you draft each module, and you customize it with real-life examples and exercises for the students. 8. Reselling services. White label, content creation. If you're looking to scale, consider hiring ChatGPT to work behind the scenes for agencies or other freelancers. As a white label provider, you can deliver high-quality content without clients knowing it's AI-assisted. Partner with agencies or freelancers who need content but lack the time or capacity to handle all client requests. Offer services like blog post writing, product descriptions, or email copy under a non-disclosure agreement. Use ChatGPT to produce bulk content, allowing you to complete large projects efficiently and charge hourly or per word rates. A digital agency needs 20 articles per week. ChatGPT can draft the initial versions, and you edit them for quality, maintaining a consistent brand voice. 9. Building a niche blog using ChatGPT. Building a successful blog can be a great source of passive income, and ChatGPT can help you create content quickly, covering topics in a specific niche. Once the blog gains traffic, you can monetize it through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Choose a profitable niche, like personal finance, health, or travel. Use ChatGPT to draft blog posts, and supplement them with SEO-optimized titles and descriptions. Monetize the blog with ads, affiliate links, and partnerships. A blog on remote work productivity tips. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, write posts, and provide SEO-rich content that attracts readers. 10. Creating an AI-powered online course. As an AI consultant, you can create and sell a course teaching others how to leverage AI tools like ChatGPT for various online income streams. Many people want to learn about AI's potential, making it a high-demand topic. Outline a course curriculum with modules on content creation, SEO, and social media marketing, all using ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to assist with creating lessons, writing explanations, and organizing course materials. Offer the course on e-learning platforms like Udemy, or sell it through your own website. Create a Make Money with ChatGPT course. Each module covers different ways to earn money with AI, with step-by-step instructions and tips for success. 11. Translation and language services. ChatGPT can translate or assist with multilingual content creation. You can charge high fees for localization, translation, or content creation in multiple languages. Offer bilingual or multilingual content creation and translation services on freelancing sites. Use ChatGPT to assist with translation tasks or create unique content in different languages. Cater to industries with a high demand for translated content, such as e-commerce or hospitality. A tourism website needs content in Spanish and French. ChatGPT can help translate existing text, and you can polish it to meet professional standards. 12. Offer editing and proofreading services. If you have a good grasp of grammar, you can use ChatGPT to help improve the quality of written work by providing editing and proofreading services. Market yourself as an editor or proofreader, offering services to bloggers, authors, and students. Use ChatGPT to check grammar, structure, and readability and then perform manual edits. Ensure the final product matches the client's style and is error-free. A blogger needs proofreading for several articles each month. ChatGPT helps identify errors, and you refine the style for clarity and flow.